What is going on, guys? We're finally back out here working in the garage again. If you're new here, please subscribe. We build this thing and ride these things. So it's been a while since I made a video, so we'll kind of catch you guys up on what's happened. Just been working a lot lately, so I haven't had much time to work on the truck and do stuff like that. And when I do, I don't record. But truck still runs good. Leaks power steering fluid, so the steering's kind of iffy sometimes when it starts getting low on fluid. I did finally hook up a 220 outlet in my garage right there. So now I can weld for more than 5 seconds without the breaker popping, which is freaking amazing. So now that I can weld for long periods of time, we are going to finish welding in the truss on the rear end, because I could never weld for long enough to get it done. So we're going to burn that all the way in today, hopefully. And then you may notice the truck is all the way down and the coilovers are gone. The driver's side coilover is blown out, so we'll rebuild that. I also need to get, where's that? There's one right here. I need to get stiffer springs for it. I'm pretty sure I've mentioned that in videos before, where this tender spring is just completely coil bound, and a lot of the little bumps, the truck hits bump stops and stuff, and there's no reason for that. So those are out, stiffer springs, welding in that rear end truss. So yeah, let's get started. much travel this thing has in the rear. I'm going to drop it back down. Granted, this is without limiting straps, but so it's up a little bit higher. Alrighty guys, so I'm sure you couldn't see the tape measure when I measured the travel on it. So without limiting straps, it's 31 inches, full droop to bump. That's also without the coilovers. So I think those limit it a little bit more because of the way my shock mounts are set up, but not bad. I did only weld in the top of that truss. Should be plenty. I know the bottom there's several inches of weld done from when I initially did it, so I think it'll be fine. Maybe eventually I'll get around to finishing that up, but for now it'll be good. Also, there is another new little project going on in the background over here. Let's see if I can flip this around. That guy right there, tucked over there in the corner. Just got that back from the machine shop probably 2 weeks ago. I traded the YZF 450 for a boat, and then, you know, wouldn't be me if I didn't blow it up. So pulled the motor out of the boat, rebuilding it, and then it'll go back in and hopefully be all good. So it's just got to put that other head on, torque both the heads down. The one's just sitting on there for now. Yeah guys, that'll be it for this one. No, it was a short video, but thanks for watching. Like, subscribe. See you guys next time.